All across Alamo Heights ISD during this festive season, students are developing new skills and sharing their unique talents through their engagement in our fine arts programs. This all begins at the elementary level when students participate in our music and strings programs, and then progresses to options for choir, string, and band at the junior school level. At the high school, we offer additional opportunities for marching band, for dance, and theater, as well as choir and orchestra. In AHISD, fine arts programs are integral to the development of our students. As we embrace the holidays and prepare to close out the year, we thought we would share the talents of our fine arts students featuring the sounds of the season.